Mahindra, Adventure Snow Survivor wasn't just a trip. It was a test of grit, a dance with the elements, and a symphony of roaring engines against the silent snowy peaks.
We are really happy that what Mahindra has made us gone through is something really real world and great.
Adventure between the slug and snow, I think that was the most awesome one.
We thoroughly enjoyed it, and the challenge was always there.
Amazing.
It's fun.
It wasn't just about conquering the terrain. It was about conquering yourself. It was about pushing boundaries, building bonds, and discovering the extraordinary within the ordinary. Are you ready to write your own adventure story? Your adventure starts here.